Hey, second grade, happy Thursday. Welcome back. So we are going to go ahead and get started with our writing today on day, let's see what day number it is. It is day number 10 for us. We are on still step 5. We have done our beginning, our middle, and now is the time to draft our ending. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Herschel has taken us down our path, and we are still in step number 5 on our ending and our drafting. So please make sure you have your iReady writing book and a pencil today to follow along. If you don't have them, pause this video so we can get started. All right, our objectives today are similar to what we did yesterday. I can draft the middle and end of a lab report. Today is focusing on the end. I can write the steps of a lab report, and I can draw conclusions about the results of an experiment. Okay, so those are the 3 things we're focusing on today with our ending. That is our quick write that we'll do after we go through our ending on page number 149. Page 149. Please get to page 149. If you are not there, go ahead and pause it so we can get caught up and move on. So, page 149, let's get started. So today we're going to study the end of Leah's lab report, then try writing the end of our lab report. Let's take a look at our mentor text from Leah. The results were clear. Using a lever and fulcrum can make objects easier to lift. The best way is to move the fulcrum close to the object you want to lift. When the lever is long on the opposite side of the object feels lighter. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and it says to underline the sentence where Leah draws a conclusion about her results. So what the conclusion is, it states the best way, it states the results, and it just tells your reader what you learned. So the results were clear. Using lever and fulcrum can make objects easier to lift. Well, we knew that, but it says the best way to move is to move the fulcrum close to the object you want to lift. That is stating the conclusion. That is the results. Which one was better? So we're going to underline which one Leah found was better. So the best way is to move the fulcrum close to the object you want to lift. That is her conclusion that she found. Okay, so the conclusion is making a judgment based on what happened in the experiment. So Leah wanted to find out what she could do to make it easier to lift the object. Her conclusion was, yes, what we underlined, the best way is to move the fulcrum close to the object you want to lift. So now I want you to think about what happened in our own experiment. So we need to write a sentence that draws a conclusion about our results. This means we need to write a sentence that draws a conclusion. It should sum up what we learned from the experiment. What did we learn? Well, we learned what? Which one was better? The rocks, which one made it move faster? The rocks or the ramp? Right, the ramp said a lot faster. So our speed of the bottle car can be adjusted, can be changed and adjusted. Let me try that again. The speed of our bottle car can be changed by adjusting parts of the car or adjusting the surface that it drives on. The fastest way was with the changing the height of the ramp, right? So both of them changed it and made it a little bit faster, but the ramp was higher and it made it faster. So the speed of a bottle car can be changed by adjusting parts of the car or adjusting the surface, that's the ramp, right? Surface that it drives on. A higher ramp makes a bottle car move the fastest. So this is our conclusion. This is a big conclusion, and it's really hard to see. So let me scroll a little bit. Oopsies. Let me highlight it. Nope, I can't do that. Hang on. Let's see if I can do this. Well, hopefully you are able to read this, and I'll move it up a little bit if you need to. Pause it in different areas. So the speed of a bottle car can be changed by adjusting parts of the car or adjusting the surface that it drives on. A higher ramp makes a bottle car move the fastest. Okay, so make sure you have gotten this copied down. If you get this copied, I'm going to move it up now so you can read the rest of it better. Oops. You can pause it here to read the bottom half of it. Please make sure you have those written, pause it so you can complete this. And I'm going to go ahead and clear it out. So if you're not done, remember that you need to pause it or go back a second if I accidentally cleared it out too fast. So today, your quick write is to please make sure that you've copied the ending onto page 158 and then upload a picture of your completed draft on page 158 to Schoology. So make sure you upload a picture of what you've done so far of your draft so that we can check in on it and make sure that we are writing a lab report correctly. So thank you guys for following along, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.